A great philosopher, Mr. Plato, said once, music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. A very pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really honored for this opportunity to address this congregation, and on behalf of SME from bottom of my heart, I welcome each and every one of you for this grand, remarkable and memorable event of Prestige SME 150th session, which has come long way successfully since then initiated. I am also privileged to extend our special greetings to our dignitaries, Mr. Sakramani sir, Mr. Sriraman sir, Mr. Kanan sir, Mrs. Shamala madam, Mrs. Sandibala madam, who have initiated and lightened the torch of SME along with senior citizens, residents of Prestige Deluxe. Our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Sakramani sir for implying these ideas. The torch was subsequently carried by incoming members and now brought to this remarkable occasion of 150th session. Our unsaid motto being, we sing and encourage others to sing. நாங்கள் சொல்லப்படாத குறிக்கோள், எஸ்எம்ஏயின் சொல்லப்படாத குறிக்கோள், நாங்கள் பாடுவோம், பாட விருப்பப்படுபவர்களை ஊக்குவிப்போம். As every person may not be a perfect singer, but eternally a good bathroom singers. We welcome all kind of songs and singers, involve them at SME, as music is considered as an elixir of life. Music is a feeling, an emotion. That is, one said, மகிழ்ச்சியாய் இருக்கும்போது இசையை ரசிக்கிறோம், ஆனால் சோகமாய் இருக்கும்போது அதன் வரிகளை புரிந்து கொள்கிறோம். That brings all our memories, energizes you, drags to the dance floor, and brings peace of your mind ultimately. Geography, culture, religion, caste, even languages do not barrier to achieve solace of music. So honestly speaking, we all mark time every Sunday and be on tenterhooks for attending SME. By doing that, I'm sure SME will hit a double century soon with more interesting singers. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, and thank once again for the opportunity given to me. And once again, I welcome all the mellophiles present here. Let us sit back and enjoy the true beauty of music. Thank you.